Imagine enabling seamless content syndication across your organization's digital ecosystem. With Sitefinity, creating web services like OData or GraphQL is straightforward. Today, I'll create a news web service just to show how easy it is. As you can see, this process is an admin task that takes about a minute. Once the web service is created, we'll access the documentation and grab the Get News Items URL to demonstrate it live. This simplicity means that Sitefinity administrators can quickly deploy web services without heavy IT involvement. This improves operational efficiency and content accessibility for external applications, like digital signage or mobile apps. Some of the top benefits include seamless content syndication, ease of web service creation, support for both OData and GraphQL, and enhanced operational efficiency.